Japan has been involved in the Mombasa development for a long time. This is because of the strategic position Mombasa plays as a gateway in logistics into the East African region. However, the challenge of heavy cargo congestion remains. This is partly due to the design constraints of the old berths with a narrow backyard. In the recent past, JICA has been involved in the planning of the port-city interface, modernization of the berth, handling equipment, port safety, and the development of the free port at the Dongo Kundu Special Economic Zone. The current berth development in the phase 2 of the Mombasa Port Development Project further expands the second container terminal at Kipevu. The first phase was completed early 2016, and immediately the second phase of the Mombasa Port Development Project started what we refer to as phase 2 of the MPDP.
JICA and KPA are closely tied with the relations between the governments, the two governments, that's Kenya and Japan, which are historical. For a long time, Japan has been a very strong ally of Kenya. It's not the first time Japan is getting involved in infrastructural programs in this country, and in Mombasa in particular. You can remember the famous Nyali Bridge was done. It's a masterpiece. It was done by the Japanese. And by extension, they have moved into port development programs, which to us is a plus in our aspiration to realize our vision that's a world-class port of choice. And Japan is a maritime country, and unlike Kenya, which has a big sea line but not as well developed in terms of maritime developments, there's a lot in terms of what Japan has done in our relationship for especially last 10 years as geared towards developing maritime facilities, and specifically in this case the port of Mombasa.
Mombasa Port is perhaps the region's most critical infrastructure. Currently, it's what we refer to as the 1 million TEUs per year port. Expansion of that port capacity against demand is the really challenge that all the stakeholders at the port have to deal with. Container traffic has been increasing steadily, with the volume being handled at port more than tripling. It's also projected to reach more than 2.6 million TEUs in the year 2025. We are now implementing the Mombasa Port Development Project Phase 2 under the ODA Yen Loan project to construct berth 22 of the new container terminal, which is expected to be completed by the end of 2021.
There are some kind of Japanese technology in this project. For example, to improve the soil condition and prevention of the corrosion of marine structure. And we use Japanese standard for design.
We have two technology from Japan. One is the steel pipe with heavy coating. And another one is PVD, prefabricated vertical drain to improve the soil. And another technology is a PVD, prefabricated vertical drain, to improve the soft soil. Actually, this reclamation is constructed, reclaimed on the very soft soil. If we reclaim without any soil improvement, it takes time to settle the ground.